Doopy-doo. Wonder how this is working. Let's see. Properties. Okay. Advanced audio. Monitor off. Okay, so let's see how this works. Um, this should probably be okay. Doop doopy doo. I don't know what I'm doing yet. All right, so I'm gonna go to here. Test. I don't know what I'm doing yet. Awesome. Okay. So go to here. Looks like that's working. Alrighty. So currently, if I go here, I'm going to see, go into the rag folder. Um, source, VNV, bin, activate. So, um, stream, I think it's Streamlit. Run home. All right. So if I do that, then we have this multi-project. So Bible. So far, what I'm working on, I guess. Say I want to edit this. What books do I have currently? Um, Exodus. I probably need to add more of those. Hmm. Okay. So we're gonna go exit that. Um, pages. Um, we're gonna go into Genie one.bible.py. Okay. Let's see. Hmm. Come on. Search. Find. Uh, Genesis. Ah, there it is. That's what I want. Okay. So now we need our folder here. Um, home. Python. Rag. Data. No. Rag. Bible. Genesis. It's terrible that I can't remember the actual order. Okay, so Bible order, Bible KJV list of books of the Bible in order. Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, um, So Leviticus. We're gonna rename that. Copy. Bible. Leviticus. Comma. Awesome. So save that. Numbers is next. Okay, so that's just numbers. Numbers. Bible. Numbers. JSON. My spelling is just ferocious. Deuteronomy. We're just gonna copy that. Not exactly renaming, but comma, paste, Bible, JSON, save. So let's see where we're at. I think what am I? Okay, so I actually need to close that because yeah, that is gonna get in the way. So let's go to Streamlit, run home. Okay. Let's see. Bible. Deuteronomy. Deuteronomy. Why would that say spake? That's spake. Oh, the plane over against I I have no idea over names anymore. But spake. Yeah. So I can spake is not old archaic and should not be in the KJV Bible. Possible more than like likely Moses said spoke. So Versa notes. Oh, wait. It probably needs to be double asterisk. Okay, save. There we go. That's wonderful. So if I reload it, is it gonna stay? Um, Deuteronomy. Awesome. So clearly, what's going on here is I'm editing this to save the files from um, when I edit the JSON going back to itself again. So if I open up, I'm gonna open this one up with Genie just to show. Let me open. Okay, so see, right here is the book of Deuteronomy. Here's where I I edited that in the browser where it says spake and my notes on spoke. And yeah, there. So it's working as expected so far. Um, so yeah, let me close that again. Let me go to rag. Wait, pages. Open that with Genie. Okay. Um, let's see. Where did I put that? Oh, there it is. Right there. Okay. So at least with that, now it's not tied to this. Okay, so we are going to stop that. Going to okay. Rag data. No, rag Bible. Okay, so we need that. Um, Joshua is next. Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. Um, we're gonna rename copy. Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. Joshua Bible JSON. So save that. Judges. Okay. That that was yeah. Okay. Bible judges.json. Save that. Ruth. Let's see. Um, comma. It would probably be more helpful if I just why am I going back and forth over that? Okay. There we go. That's better. Now the I have to make sure that I actually use the same spelling, capitalization, and all from the file path. That way, it'll actually be able to pull everything up properly. So, Ruth, Bible, Ruth, JSON, save that. Is that how I have that? Um, See right here, it has one Samuel um, JSON, but so I typed it up with how I want it to show on the browser. But Bible. So here I'll do one Samuel JSON, second Samuel Bible. There we go. Bible to Samuel JSON, save to sweet. Okay. Samuel, here, 1 and 2 Kings. Um, okay, so it's one and okay, that makes first Kings Bible, 1 Kings JSON, second Kings Bible, 2 Kings JSON. Um, so first and second Chronicles now. Uh, yeah, I'm just gonna copy. Okay, so comma first Chronicles Bible 1 JSON 2 second Chronicles Bible 2 Chronicles.json. Let's save that. And so we're going to go back and test this. Stream, Streamlet, run, home. So now we can go back in here and hopefully, so we got Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Numbers, right, so there's Judges, Ruth, First Samuel, well, second, second Samuel, First Kings, Second Kings, First Chronicles, Wait, wait. Is that really what that's? If it's really doing that in so First Chronicles, seriously, if it that's a bit messed up right there. I'm I'm gonna go over to the Discord here, because that's just weird. Switch. Of book. Short name list. Let me see if I can remember the command on the Bible. Bible look up um first Bible look look up first Chronicles 1. Load now. I'm just gonna open up a browser and look. That's sad. Okay, so um KJV 1 Chronicles chapter 1. Okay, so I'm just gonna open up Bible Gateway. Let me capture this. So I'm gonna print screen. Then I'm gonna go to pictures, screenshots. He just silly, stupid. Yeah, short, short, abrupt. Not the whole chapter, but just looking at verse length. There we go. Okay. Um. Okay. Let's get back to it. I I should probably put Discord on the right side here. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, put that there. That there. That's still streaming. I don't need that there. Okay. So we'll go back to the dev computer. Sometimes it helps having two computers to work on this stuff. Alrighty. And I closed my index. Okay. So what do we need now? We're gonna go back into this and this. Okay. So First Chronicles. Wait a minute. Okay. Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, First Kings, Second Kings, First Chronicles, Second Chronicles, Ezra, okay, Ezra, Bible, Ezra.json, save. Nehemiah, which still copy. Okay, so comma Nehemiah Bible my.json save. Save. Job. Bible. Job.json. Is that in caps? Let me see. Job. Job. Okay. That's Psalms. Bible. Did it? Oh, good. It put Psalms in. Okay. Proverbs. Bible. Proverbs. Okay. We're halfway through the Old Testament. Isn't that nice? You know, I should probably um, back that up. Um, CD, Bible. Okay, there's our books right there. So we're going to go and uh, hmm. Yeah, we don't need that anymore. Uh, our Bible. Okay, so we're going to uh, copy recursive Bible backup, and we're gonna name it as Bible. Um, see, and we're gonna go and back up Bible, and there's our files again. Okay, so that's where we're at. Okay, so now we need to go back where we left off. Okay, we left off at Proverbs. So now we need Ecclesiastes. There's we're just gonna rename copy comma Ecclesiastes Bible JSON. Save that. Song of Solomon is next. Song of Solomon. And that is saved as Bible. The Song of Solomon. Okay, no spaces. Song of Solomon. JSON. I should probably check that, make sure that it works properly. Stream, run, home. Okay, so go to our Bible, go to Ecclesiastes. Looks good so far. Song of Solomon. Song of Songs, which is Solomon's. Really? I'm not sure about that. But, okay. We'll come back to that later. Let's see. There's that. Wonder how many of those I actually have open. I don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. So we currently have this one open. So what's next? Isaiah. So Bible. JSON. Good. Jeremiah. Bible. Jason. Okay. Let's see. Lamentations. Lamentations. Bible. Oh, forgot the quote. Bible. Lamentations. Jason. Leviticus. Lamentations is okay. That's good. Um, Ezekiel. Bible. Jason. Save that. Daniel. Bible. Daniel. Jason. I am gonna have to go on mute for a second. Someone brought me lunch. How nice of them. Okay, where'd we leave off? Daniel. So now we need Hosea. Bible. Hosea. Jason. Okay. Now Joel. Bible. Joel. Jason. Save that. Now Amos. Bible. Amos. Jason. Save that. Obadiah. Bible. Save. Obadiah. Jonah. Bible, Jason. Save that again. Ooh, Micah. Bible, Jason. Bible. Nahum. Jason. And we're going to make sure that that is the same. Okay. Habakku. I'll be honest, I don't remember Habakkuk. Um, but I could be wrong. Okay. Ebhanah. Okay. Bible. Wait, Bible. Still going. Do, do, do. Where? Let me check something out. I'm gonna make sure that you do. Okay. It's not as though I'm getting anyone. Anyways, but oh well. Zephaniah. Uh, Haggai. Bible. Jason. Jggai. Hmm. Okay. No, I don't know if I'm alone in this, but this says uh Zech er Zechariah, which I remember it being Zachariah. They Zach dot Jason. But so it was with an A and not an E. Oops. I got some hash browns. They're pretty good. Good stuff. Okay. Um, Malachi. Next, we're actually almost done with the. This will be the last one for the Old Testament. Bible. Okay. So we'll go here and that. We're gonna run Streamlit home again. Go to Bible, Genesis, Malachi. See, Lord, that. Uh, that's why is Lord in all caps? It's not a special way to refer to God um, in internet communication. Uh, words in all caps is considered yelling. Just save for some notes. Good. Okay. So, see, and they do this over and over again on these stupid verses for the Lord. I think that actually started off in Genesis. See, the first book of Genesis, in a lot of chapters, it just said God. So if you go to chapter 2, for example, uh, right here, verse 2 4, right there, it switches from just God, God created, God, God did this, God did that, and there's the Lord, Lord in all caps, Lord in all caps. I wonder what happens I'm gonna go in the middle here. That's that's Abram is before he became Abraham, but there's Lord in all caps again, Lord in all caps. So who exactly is Abraham talking to here in Genesis? Because it's a different title. You change the lettering on there, it changes the title. Yeah, and this is just already. This right here is just where it started with Mandela stuff, but hmm, why is that like that? Already. Close out of that for now. Cancel that. Actually, now that we've gotten that far, I want to let's go to Bible. Hmm. Okay. We're going to select all, copy. Um, we're gonna go to um, here is my current Python program. I do not care about that right now. We'll deal with that later. Um, Here is my program. Not trying trying to fix anything right now. Okay. Below the drop down boxes for the Bible drop down boxes that have the Bible book, chapter, and verses, I'd like a search box where I can type in the verse like Genesis 1 1, for example, or Genesis 1 1 to 5, for example. Okay. Um, so we are going to cancel this. Um, we're gonna CPR drag, drag back up. Just for pages. Um, RMBK facts. Don't need that anymore right now. RM1 going to copy 1, 1K. So now we're going to go to RM1 nano 1 pi. We're going to paste in our new script. Save that. Exit that. Go to stream. Run. Home. Okay. So now we'll go to Bible. I don't like that. 1. What do you got? An error. So we got an error. Show full source with changes, please. Okay, so now we have that. Come on. That is a lot of stuff. Copy that. Close that. Cancel that. RM1. Oh. Pages. Paste in the changes again. Save. Exit that. Streamlet. Run home.py. All right, so okay. Genesis 1:1. Cop. So now we got a error message again. Alrighty. So we can get rid of that. One. Paste a new one. Save that. Exit out of that. Go back. Stream it. Run. Rerun the new one. Go to Genesis 1. So if I so say I do Genesis 2, 4, 3 to 6. Uh, okay, let me just go here. Um, Genesis 1, 2 to 4. Um, so the search works for one verse, but not multiple. So if I type in 1, 1 to 2, it does not show verses 1 and 2. Oh, goodness. Show full code with fixes, please. Okay, so come on. So drag pages 1, 1 by paste, save, exit, stream, run, home.py. So get a Bible, Genesis 1, 1 to 2. Uh-oh. got an error with your fix. Okay, come on. Copy that one now. Get rid of pages. One by paste, save, exit, streamlet, run, home. Okay, so Genesis 1 versus 1 to 2. Still did not fix it. That still didn't fix it. So now we go all the way down. Copy that. Three pages. Okay. So Bible, Genesis 1, 1, 2, 3. Absolute final fix. As if we haven't heard that before. Oh. Okay. So pages 1, nano 1, pi, paste, save, x, streamlet, run, home.py, Bible, Genesis 1 versus 1 to 2. Copy. Paste. So, assuming I type in Genesis 1, 1, 2, 4, what should the code work properly? Pages, save, stream, run. 2 to 4. With your recent changes, it does not error, but instead, if I type in Genesis 2, 2 through 4, it shows all the verses in chapter 2. So, the hamburger's good. So now we go pages again. You know, Oh, home.
Okay, Bible 1. Two, two, window. So I have a Python program where the search for is 1 4 does not work properly from search bar. Here is my code.
Show full code with fixes, please. Do not want debugging. Oh, this is fun. Come on. Copy code. Cancel pages. 1 pi nano 1 pi. Paste. Save. Exit. Streamlet. Run. Home.py. Bible. Okay. 1 to 2. That didn't search properly. It shows the full chapter of verses when I type in Genesis 1 1 to 4. Continue generating.
Yeah, this just isn't working properly. I think we are going to, uh, let's see, we're going to go back to pages RM1, 1. We're just going to stream, let run home. Yeah, we're just going to have to do it without the search because, I mean, being able to go to the chapter and then just kind of scroll, I could still do it that way. But one, two. So if I go all the way to the last chapter, we'll go to I'm still quite happy with it. Hmm. Is there anything else that I want to use? I guess I wonder if I could do something like checking for tagged words, like maybe uh, Jeremy, where in the Bible was changed from Jeremiah to Jeremy. I could maybe figure that out. Oh, okay. So that's not what I wanted. So there's Bible, there's facts, fact repository. Um, why do I have that as facts? Um, we are gonna go to new tab. Um, Nano, home, um, pages, Nano 2. So if I do move one, one, okay, so then I do this, cancel that out. The title is just based on that. Okay, so pages, move to, does it space it out though? It does. Awesome. Alrighty, that's all I got for now. I'll probably come back later. Um, well, I should probably show what this does. Um, when I click on edit, it shows the topic, the core facts. This is my comments. Um, the category, I can either update or delete. And yeah, so it's interesting, right? I guess. I believe eventually I should probably update a photo for the Mandela effects. Bible one I don't really care so much because there's a lot of ones here where if someone doesn't believe you, then trying to share residue is not going to help when they open up their Bibles and disagree with you. But I'm signing off for now. So yeah, that's where we're at. See ya.